Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, so welcome back to my another videos. So here's video from SY Writing. So first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Faiza Angelia Putri and you can call me Ica. I'm from K1 2023, Universitas Maritim Raja Ali Haji, Tanjung Pinang, Kepulauan Riau. So the first thing first, I want to say thanks to the honorable lecturer Sir Gatot, and then I want to say thanks to you all for watching my videos. And today I want to share you some information or maybe a literature or maybe a review of the task that I already done. So the task is called essay. So essay with the title The Influence of DeepL as a Languaging Tools. So guys, you all already hear about the main topic, which is DeepL. Yeah, I think you guys know what DeepL is it, because we already heard a DeepL since we was senior high school maybe. And then I want to talk about it now about the DeepL, but it to the influence DeepL on students. So guys, you all already know about the title first, so called The Influence of DeepL as a Languaging Tool for Students. So the first one, I want to tell you what the introduction next to the title. So in the introduction itself, we have general statement and then the thesis statement. So I want to tell you guys about the general first. The general first, we talk about the NMT, which is the general of the using technology in this era, which is, for example, in this era, every students or maybe every college student using AI or maybe technology tools as their tools in education. And then I want to bring it back you guys to the thesis first. So the thesis is the DeepL because it's related to the general statement about the technology. And then I want to bring you guys to the thesis that's called DeepL. So instead of we talk about the negative things in DeepL, but we rather talk about positive thing in DeepL itself. So the DeepL itself is the one of applications that we can translate any kind of language or maybe any kind of detected language. Another applications like DeepL, as we know, like Google Translate, but in this essay we only talk about the DeepL. So there's the four of positive thing or maybe advantage things about a DeepL. So like I want to say there's a writing improvement and then vocabulary development, confidence and fluently, and then reading comprehension. So there's a four: writing, vocabulary, and then confidence, and then reading comprehension. There's a four of positive things about the DeepL. And then there's the fourth thesis statement. We break down or maybe we divide it into four body paragraph. There's a four body paragraph. So in the body paragraph 1, we talk about writing improvement, and then with the support idea like how DeepL can improve the writing skills or something like that. And then we next to the body paragraph 2, there's we talk about vocabulary development. Like I said before, in that paragraph we talk about how DeepL can development our vocabulary skills. Yeah, because there's a support idea. In this support idea itself, we talk about from the DeepL itself, we can get a new vocabulary that we ever know before. Maybe we just only know about house, but by DeepL we know the another word about house is a home or something kind of like that. That's the simple example. And then we next to the body paragraph number 3, we talk about confidence and fluently. Yes, of course. From DeepL itself, if we using DeepL, we can practically confidence and fluently in English because there's audio that we can hear where the right pronunciation or where the wrong pronunciation itself. From that one, we can more confidence and then we can more fluently talk in English. Of course, it's all by DeepL. That as a support idea. And then the last one is reading comprehension. So what's the reading comprehension? Reading comprehensions, I think it's more like reading skills or maybe reading skills in micro or maybe macro. So from the body number 4, we talk about how DeepL can increase or increase the ability someone's reading comprehension. How someone can reading comprehension itself ability were high or low, because in the DeepL itself the DeepL teach us how to read with the right way or something kind of like that. So in the conclusion, we talk about how DeepL can make every students or every people that using it can use DeepL in positive way, which is we had to use DeepL for increased vocabulary or maybe increase confidence in talk in English, and then a reading comprehension, and then the last one is writing improvement. So we only use DeepL as a support tools, not the main tools that I hope everyone students or every person in this life use DeepL as support tools, not the main tools. Because if you use DeepL as the main tools, it will bad for you, and you will how can I say, in bahasa Indonesia we know ketergantungan with a DeepL itself. So I think that's it. There's a general statement that we talk about NMT, which is technology in this era, and then we talk about the thesis. The thesis we talk about the DeepL itself with the 4 positive things like reading comprehension, and then writing skills, confidence and advanced talk in English, and then the last one is vocabulary, and then we talk about the conclusion itself. So I think that's it. The simple things or maybe the review of my essay. So I'm from group I don't know what exactly my group's number, but I with Tessa, Adriani and Zuhri, we both make this essay with the title, like I said before, with the title The Influence of DeepL as a Languaging Tools for Students. So I think that's it for today, and I think that's it for this video, and I hope you guys get positive things, and I hope you guys get an advantage from my video, and take the positive and throw the negative things. So I think that's it from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.